From the first industrial revolution to the current technological revolution, the only way to discover what is possible is to go beyond the current limits. Introducing HyperLaser, the fastest pocket-sized industrial engraver. With HyperLaser, you are free to unleash your creativity anytime, anywhere, on any surface. Horizontal engraving, vertical engraving, inclined engraving at any angle, even cylindrical surface engraving will all be easy and perfect. The unique ultra-speed optical galvanometer scanner with up to 5,000 milliwatts of laser power provides ultimate precision over large engraving areas with excellent 4K resolution. HyperLaser makes laser engraving easier than ever. In only 30 seconds, your high heels can be customized into a stylish limited edition. As fast as you snap your fingers, your own exclusive coffee coaster is created. And that's not all. Why not show off your creativity on your favorite mug? Precious memories deserve a special place in your heart. Use HyperLaser to capture those moments that need to be cherished and saved inside your personally engraved wooden box. Let your style speak. Put your own logo on your beloved metal knives, or even create your own unique living space by engraving on the wall. Your safety always comes first. HyperLaser has multiple built-in protections including posture detection and blocking detection. A foldable laser shield and goggles protect you from the laser while in use. HyperLaser is lightweight and compact. It is your personal idea generator. Just put it into your backpack and you are ready to go. Empowering creativity. HyperLaser.